I just found a niche dropshipping store with one main product that has done over $14 million in sales over the past 12 months. And currently it's doing over $1.5 million in sales every single month. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything behind the scenes of this brand. First, we're going to be taking a look at the analytics of their TikTok shop page and their Shopify store. We're also going to take a look at a few of their top advertisements. Then we're going to be doing some research on the trends that are currently in the niche right now. And finally, I'm going to show you exactly where you can source this product and exactly how you can start a similar brand for yourself. If you don't already know me, my name is Grant and I run multiple e-commerce brands selling clothing to women on Facebook. There's so many videos on YouTube telling you to do different things that give you conflicting advice. And so I'm just here to show you what has actually worked for me and how you can recreate this success for yourself. Without further ado, let me show you everything behind the scenes of this $15 million e-commerce brand. I just launched my school community for completely free. I was going to charge $100 for this, but then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to let everyone in for free. I just want to build a community of like-minded people who can talk about e-commerce and like actually learn and grow together and to really just help everyone sell a lot of stuff online and make a lot of money. So to show you the exact analytics behind the TikTok shop that this brand is running, I'm going to be using a brand new tool called ShopShark. It's the newest and most accurate TikTok shop analytics tool. Their data updates every single day. Now, here's the main page that I'm interested in. This shows you the top selling products on TikTok shop. And most of these are like pretty general products. And as you can see, all of these brands are doing in the last 30 days, like between $4 and $2 million. These people are printing money. But the product that I'm interested in showing you guys today is this women's dress. If you didn't already know, my favorite niche to sell in with e-commerce is dresses. Dresses are great because they have a high perceived value. They're super cheap to fulfill. When you make it in a Chinese factory, it's literally just a piece of fabric and a sewing machine. And then you can compact it into a nice small little package and ship it across the ocean. It doesn't cost much to ship. And you'll see at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how much this product costs to fulfill. And it's actually pretty crazy. So this is the Parthia women's plain rushed bonding corset milkmaid dress, whatever. And as you can see, this dress has done a total of $14 million in GMV. Here are the product images. It's pretty much just this dress with like a cutout of the side, and then there's a tie thing in the front. And I don't know if you can see, but it has like a corset thing in the middle. Like this is the newest trend recently is corset dresses, where it's like built-in corset to make the person's waist look thinner. Right now, the viral index is 1857 popularity score with over 300,000 units sold. As you can see, in the past 60 days, they've done $3.3 million in sales. And here are the exact videos that have brought them in that revenue. For a limited time only, you can get your first 3 days on the platform for completely free. So I'm going to leave the link to this in the description below. So let's take a look at a few of these videos. Here's the first one with over $147,000 in revenue generated. So it's just a mannequin showing the dress. You could literally make this video as a guy. Just don't show your hands. But yeah, that's super simple. Like literally just shows the dress, shows the dress, shows the dress, and then shows the dress. Like that's the whole video. Here's the one in second place with 70,000 views. And she's just showing it off and didn't even put any really effort into this video. Literally just put on the dress and then stood in front of the camera and then made a bunch of sales. All right, so here's another one, and it actually doesn't have a sound, so I can play it for you guys.
Don't own this dress, you are definitely missing out. This is the viral milkmaid corset dress. It's one of my favorite dresses of all time. It looks so beautiful on everybody. Bottom is double lined, which is so perfect. And of course it has these corset back. It's back in stock. I'm gonna have a link to below.
If you're thinking about selling a product in this niche, this is the exact sort of advertisement that you would be looking for to run on Facebook or TikTok, because there's nothing better than a girl wearing the dress, talking to the camera with her phone in front of her mouth. You can literally use AI to generate whatever sort of voice, whatever you want her to say, because you can't see what her mouth is saying. And there's no text on the screen, which is perfect. You can put whatever hook you want there. It's in a nice setting. She's wearing the dress. She's talking about it. This is exactly what you're looking for when you're looking to take a product from TikTok Shop and run it on Facebook. Now, I want to show you guys the exact website that they're running for this, because it's really nothing special. Obviously, most of their sales are coming in from TikTok Shop. However, there's going to be a certain amount of people who don't buy from TikTok Shop, and they'll probably remember the brand name or remember the name of the product, and they'll search it up on Google, and they will still buy from the Shopify store. So as you can see, they have a absolutely horrendous logo. I don't know who came up with that. For girls, by girls, all girls. That is so bad. But as you can see, like all these images, pretty much they have like a collection card collection grid, and then we've got a bunch of other dresses, and then a couple more dresses, and then follow us on Instagram. This is the cookie cutter setup for a women's clothing website. You don't need anything crazy. You don't need anything special. Everyone does rounded corners these days, but for some reason, I've always noticed that square corners convert better. Here's the actual product listing. On TikTok Shop, we can see that they're selling it for like dirt cheap, $26. I bet they're probably charging shipping on top of that to get their AOV a little bit higher. But one thing that you need to know about TikTok Shop is that they do not make much profit at all. People selling on TikTok Shop generate way more sales and way less profit than people who sell on Facebook or literally any other platform. So here's the listing for the actual dress on their main website. As you can see, same exact product. Here's the other image. Same exact product, just double the price. And then here's another variant, white and black, I guess. And then you can see the sizing goes XS, small, large, extra large. Another extremely important thing on a women's clothing website is the size chart. This size chart will genuinely increase your conversion rate by 2x. Like, I'm not kidding. The size chart is so important. And then, you know, classic emoji benefits, whatever. Then just like some little guarantee badges and a bunch of other dresses below that product. I would definitely include some other stuff down here, like a reviews app for sure. And then another one of those follow us on Instagram sections at the bottom. But I actually want to see exactly how much this product is generating. So I created my own software and it's available right now for everyone to use. And there's a 7-day free trial. So you can literally just try it out. If you like it, great. If you don't, then don't buy it. So when you first log in, here's the dashboard. Pretty much just has all these like tools. The main tool is the store spy. All I got to do is copy and paste the domain name into the search bar, and it is calculating all of the data right now. Pretty shocking results, to be honest. This page has gotten 992,000 visits this month and has generated an estimated $1.5 million in revenue. Not only does ecomspy track like the number of sales on the entire store just from the main domain, but it also can track the product page. So as we can see, 80% of these people are coming in from mobile. So that's basically just from TikTok. And then most of them are coming from direct and organic traffic, which basically means they searched for this brand. 55% of the people are in the United States. And yeah, so that's pretty much what ecomspy does. It's pretty cool. It shows you basically everything you need to know to validate a product. So next, I want to show you guys the Google Trends data. So if we just look at this title here, we can see that it's pretty much a square neck serge runch sundress. So let's just type in sundress. If we type sundress into the Google search bar, we can see that pretty much every single year around summertime, it peaks and it peaks and it gets bigger and it gets bigger. And right now we are pretty much at the peak. Let's just search summer dress and see what comes up. As you can see, same story. Every single summer, people are searching for summer dresses. If you're into Google ads, you can definitely capitalize on this. Like, you literally know that people are going to be searching this and that people are going to be buying this product. Just 2 weeks ago, this hit 100 on the Google Trends scale. So we could also search for corset dress, which is another related term. And as you can see, boom, this product just went viral as hell last month. Pretty much nothing. And then this year, whoa, corset dress. Everybody wants a corset dress. That's pretty interesting. What if we search tie front dress? Another again, bang, just tie front, every 100. All these tools combined can really give you a good idea of whether or not this would be a good product to sell. Let me show you guys the actual coolest part of all this, which is the product. So I went on AutoDS just to see if I could find this product and see if we can actually sell it for ourselves. And it's a whopping $11. $11. That's pretty crazy. This is pretty much the same design. It looks pretty nice. It's got like some lace here. And here's what the dress actually looks like. So yeah, pretty interesting stuff. I would highly recommend selling something like this because when you look at this, it's like $55 and then $11. When we talk about winning dropshipping products, everyone always says you need like a 3x markup. But if you're a beginner, you're not going to be optimized on ads. So you're going to want like a 5x markup. And women's clothing is a perfect niche to get an insane markup on your product. If you were to sell this product, you would literally have $43 to spend on ads in order to get a purchase and be break even. Don't you think you could probably get a purchase for $43? Like a CPA, a $43 CPA is the most easiest break even I've ever heard of. Are you kidding me? It's idiot proof. Like, I'm telling you guys, just find some creatives with a good looking person and a high margin product and set up a nice looking store. Super simple, guys. Like, you literally just have to do this. It's so simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.